everyone! Today we know the next unit in reading standard 1 is Unit 10. It's named a school trip plan. First exercise today is pre-reading. First question. Who are the people in the picture? I think they are students are going to school. Next second question. What are they doing? They're going on bus to school. Next, what will this story be about? It will be the first day of the school. Next, exercise is vocabulary review, and we will mark the word underlined with each meaning. First sentence is underline the word trip. Here, and trips is the answer A. Goes away from a place. Oh, sorry. It's not this answer. It's answer F. Visit to a place. Next, it's underline the word arrives. And arrive is the name is come to a place. Next, underline the word zoo. And zoo is this picture. This picture is answer D. Next sentence is underline the word safe. And safe is the same as answer E, not hurt. Next is another word meet, and meet is on picture B. It has two girls meeting each other. And the last sentence is underline the word leaves, and leave is go away from a place. And we go to the story today, and we will listen the story.
Unit 10. A school trip plan. Bayview School is taking a trip to the zoo. The teachers want the students to be safe and have fun. They made a plan. It shows what the students will do. First, everyone will meet at school at 9 o'clock. Then they will arrive at the zoo at 10 o'clock. At the end, they will leave the zoo at 4 o'clock.
And now let's read this story with me. Bayview School is taking a trip to school. The teachers want a student to be safe and have fun. They made a plan. It shows what the students will do first. Everyone will meet at school at 9 o'clock. Then they will arrive at the zoo at 10 o'clock. At the end, they will leave the zoo at 4 o'clock. Next exercise we learn today is word practice. And we will choose the best word. Every day she school at 3 o'clock and goes home. She leaves. Next sentence. Mary's postcards at our house today. Arrived. Next. My father made for our trip to Africa. It's answer D. Plan. Made a plan. And when we go to somewhere, we have to make a plan to go somewhere first. Next sentence. My friends at the park to play soccer. I meet. And now we go to the next exercise in reading comprehensions. And we will listen this dialogue again and choose the best answer in this exercise.
Unit 10. A school trip plan. Bayview School is taking a trip to the zoo. The teachers want the students to be safe and have fun. They made a plan. It shows what the students will do. First, everyone will meet at school at 9 o'clock. Then they will arrive at the zoo at 10 o'clock. At the end, they will leave the zoo at 4 o'clock.
And now we will choose the best answer. First question, what have students most on the school trip? It's answer D, the plan that teachers made. Next question, where will the student popular have lunch? This question we can see in this exercise where. Oh, sorry. Where student popular have lunch is at the zoo. Next, what happens at 4 o'clock? They will leave at the zoo. Next is question 4. What is it in the story? We will see in this dialogue. It is a plan. The plan. Next is the last exercise we do today is focus on people. First sentence, they want everyone to be safe. It's true. Next sentence, the plan shows what they will do. It's true. Now. Next sentence, they made a plan. It's true. Next, they will have fun at the zoo. It's true again. And now we done all the exercise today. And bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching.